In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Train Sim World 4 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up the game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download it. So don't waste too much time over here, quickly search up the game Train Sim World 4 and select the game. Once you have done this, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game on Steam will be €34.99. Now, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading this game. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage, and we are going to search for the same game, Train Sim World 4. Once you have done this, sort by price lowest first and select games on the left side. Now as you can see, there are two platforms available at this website. Here you have the Epic Games platform and here is the Steam platform. So choose the preferred platform. Always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you, because you need to be able to activate this game in your country. Now select the preferred platform. I will go for the Steam platform and then open the game page. As you can see, the game page is now opened and we can already download this game for just €11.04 compared to the Steam price of €34.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games. What you need to do next is purchase this game on this website, and then you will receive an email confirmation including a Steam activation key to completely legitly download this game on your PC without any problems. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!